In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in HubSpot, step by step. This straightforward guide will help you navigate through the process, ensuring you can design a functional and effective form. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through each phase with clarity and ease. To kick off, start by navigating to the marketing section in your HubSpot account and then selecting Forms. Once you're there, you'll see a Create Form button in the upper right corner. Click on that, and you'll be given the option to choose between the form editor and other tools. Go ahead and click Next to proceed. At this stage, you can select either a pre-designed template or choose to start from scratch with the Start from Blank option and then give your form a fitting name. Now, let's move on to adding and editing fields in your form. In the upper left corner, you'll see an icon labeled with a plus sign that says Add. Clicking this will open up a panel on the left from which you can drag various field types right into your form. Each field should be connected to a HubSpot property, which ensures that the data collected is correctly organized. If you need a new property, HubSpot makes it easy to create one by clicking the Create New Property button and setting it up according to your needs. Adjust each field with options like placeholder text, whether it's a required field, or any default values in the right-hand panel. For those looking to enhance the content of their form, HubSpot allows you to embed additional text or media elements. You'll find these in the other section of the left panel, and they include options like headings, images, or GDPR consent information. Excellent for making your form richer in content and clarity. Once your elements are in place, you'll want to focus on the submission experience. Under the On Submit section in Options, you have the flexibility to either display a thank you message or direct users to another page or meeting link once they've submitted their form. For users with professional or enterprise accounts, you can add conditional logic. Simply navigate to the Workflows icon and then click Add Logic. This feature is powerful, allowing you to set up if-then rules to show or hide fields, skip steps, or redirect users based on their previous responses. Should you want to create multi-step forms, it's as easy as clicking the plus icon between existing steps to add new ones. Feel free to rearrange, clone, or delete steps. Just keep in mind that forms can include up to 20 steps. Styling your form is an important part of the process too. In the Styling tab, you can customize many elements such as fields, buttons, the background, headings, and progress indicators, modifying their color, layout, and font to meet your branding needs. Once your content and style are set, the automation panel allows you to automate actions post-submission. These can include triggering simple workflows, such as sending follow-up emails or internal notifications. Before wrapping up, configure your form's settings. By clicking on the Settings icon, you can set general options like the contact lifecycle stage, marketing status, notification recipients, and the default language. Another handy feature is live validation for form fields. You can toggle this option on or off by going to Settings, then Marketing, then Forms, and finally, Submission Settings. Finally, when your form is fully ready, click on Review and Update to publish. You can then choose to embed the form on HubSpot pages, use the provided embed code, or share a link for external use. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to create and customize forms in HubSpot, setting you up for success in gathering and managing data effectively.